So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I use this microwave to make pizza. Not make pizza, like cook the pizza. Kasi, button my shirt. How I use the microwave to cook the pizza. Currently the pizza is from frozen, so I'm going to show you very quick, very fast. So I'll show you guys quickly. So we'll just turn the microwave on. So there's this ring, or this whatever it's called. You put it there, you turn the microwave on. This is currently closed. This is the on button. Turn it on. Then we're going to conventional cooking and we'll press on this. So I want it to cook for 180 degrees. So if you want it more, 200, more, less, coming up, I want it at 180. So we're going to take it at 180. So when it's on 180, usually start off with 180. So when it's on 180, I'm going to press the start button, which is this. You press the start button, so it starts preheating. So it preheats. So whenever it stops preheating, it's going to beep. So while we're waiting for it to beep, while it's still preheating, and we're waiting for this, I got this Tesco ham and pineapple pizza. So let's just take it off its packaging. Oh, the pizza looks so yummy, like. So take it off its packaging, take everything off. So guys, I've taken everything out. Everything is just separated. We've got more of toppings on this side. So I'm just going to quickly check. I think usually it's 180. Yeah, 180 degree, blah blah blah, thereabouts. So we are right on track. 180 fan, 200 degrees. So it should be 200. Yeah, let's leave it at that 180. So you can put it at 200. So we know from frozen we're going to cook this for 18 minutes. So right now we are still waiting for our microwave. It's currently preheating, as you can see. So we'll wait when it's done. All right guys, so it's done preheating. So that's it, it's just beeping. So we're going to open the microwave and pop this in. Yeah, oh, see one pineapple here. So we're going to pop this in, and after that we're going to twist this knob here to 18 minutes. We'll take it to 18. That's the only thing you need to do. Put it inside, close it, and twist this knob to 18 minutes. Yeah, and you press the start button again, so it starts counting down. So that's it. So we'll come back in 18 minutes time when it's ready. So guys, we're nearly there, and our meat should be ready. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, this is really hot. Wow, the pizza is ready. So I'm just going to take it out. One hand mission. I want to slide it into this. Yeah, so currently it's really hot, so you should be careful. In there is hot. Wow, you like it? Who wants pizza?
Me.
So that's it guys, the pizza is ready. Okay, so that's all. If you enjoyed this video, just like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Kasi, what do you say?
Bye. Subscribe to your box.
Yes, click the subscribe box and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye. Pizza, pizza.
Pizza.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye. Happiness so in a man happiness. Happiness so.
Taking out dirty. Continue singing.
Happiness so in a man happiness so. Happiness so in a Wait. Look at what Cass is touching.
Yeah, we're singing our song to everyone on our channel. We're singing. Okay, Chikanso, this Chikanso favorite musician now at the moment is Mercy Chinwo. Mercy Chinwo. It's touching everywhere.
See the way you look at the most beautiful way.